Hey everybody, it's Ryan. We give you a quick overview of this tool that is used for cleaning off snow and scraping ice off windshields of vehicles. So this is what it comes with. You got 1, 2, and 3 pieces. So you have a nice little travel bag to kind of put away in the vehicle. So it keeps everything nice and neat, especially after these are used. They might be a little wet, so you can put them away and not worry about getting the vehicle wet inside. So these 2 pieces are set up like this. You can just use this as just a handle just like this. You don't need to attach this. But this has got some very fine bristles as shown here. Good bit of space here for doing large areas, because you have a little small brush, little small ones, it's going to take you a while. Then on this attachment, again, these are going to connect together if you want. You don't have to connect them because then you have this grip here that is kind of a spongy type grip, especially when it might be like super cold and you might have gloves on, or you need to get a good grip, especially if things are really icy outside. You have sort of a serrated edge here. So if it's kind of icy, you can kind of like chop it up a little bit and go that route. And then you have more of a digger here that when you're going against the windshield or glass or whatever it is that you're scraping against, you have sort of this hard plastic with a nice little lip right there. These can be connected. So in this example, it'd snap together like this. So if you wanted to get some serious reach, you're able, even depending on the height of the user, in the height of the vehicle, you can reach, I'd say, 3/4 the way. Again, in this example, is a pretty large full-size vehicle, and you can go all the way, almost all, probably 3/4 of the way, 2/3 of the way, depending on the height of the user. You'll be able to brush off the windshield or whatever, the hood, whatever it is. Also, from the same standpoint, the way this is set up with a grip, then you can either get a good, you could double fist it here if you really have some serious ice. You can kind of really go to town on it and break that up, scoop it off, turn it around, and kind of brush it clear. Very easy to use. It's sort of a hard plastic. Little button here you push, comes apart very, very easily. And then you can put it right in the bag to go ahead and put up. Because again, as I mentioned, this could be soaking wet with ice all over it. You can put it in the car stays dry. In this example, obviously, there's no ice on the vehicle. There's no, we're not outdoors in the elements because it's not that yet cold yet. But this thing works great. Just want to go ahead and give a review before maybe it's going to be icy outside, so you kind of know what to expect. Full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview, a little tutorial of our little tool here that cleans off windshield, ice, and snow? Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered. We'll talk to you soon.